Hey guys, Zadian here, and I'm going to give you another tree cloning episode. I found a bottle of aloe vera, and we're going to try and test this out on some lemon trees. Alright, so I already got some from my neighbor's house, and this is in the backyard part of my area. Looks like we actually got some. This tree is dying because it doesn't get water, soil, and it's shaded by all these, so we're going to get a few of these just to see what they do. So with lemon trees, you see a lot of green actually, and you usually see stuff like this, where you have old kind of wood, and then it turns straight to green, but it usually splits out. So we're gonna cut one of these all the way back here, the wooded part, and the rest of them we're gonna take with leaves on. All right, I got 3 from across the street where we got some good trees, and I got 2 from my neighbor, so we're gonna try these out. So here we're gonna take off all the leaves, just completely strip them off, except for 2. On each one, we're gonna leave 2, but we're gonna do something with them. Alright, so what I've done with these is I cut right down here, and on these I cut pretty much on the node, just right there, so it would open it up and allow roots to come out. And then I left a few leaves at the top, just 2, and cut them up, because we don't want any growth to be suctioned into the leaves, but we do want to keep the moisture in a bit. And at the top here, I've gone and cut it at that triangle angle, just so that we might get some leaves starting to come out at the top. On this one, I've wounded the base because there wasn't really a node cut down there, just to see if the roots would come out of that one. And then on these other 2, pretty much the same thing. Cut the leaves off. This one had 2 kind of tips, so I cut both of those and wounded the bottom. And this one is pretty much the same. Alright, right here I've got a bunch of little homemade starter pots for them, just clear cups, plastic, holes drilled in the bottom, and some moist potting soil in here. Basically what we're going to just do is dip these in the 2 liquids, rooting hormones, and just stick them right in. You want to go about 2/3 of the way, and we can't do that with all of them, especially not this one. The tag kind of messed that up, but you know, just do the best you can. Also, I've made a bunch of tags for them, just so I know like which tree they're from and what the different things are that I did to them, just so I can know a little bit more about which techniques work. So this one we're gonna put in some of the aloe vera, just a little bit, right? Just I actually haven't tried aloe vera yet, first time, and just put it around this wounded area right here. So we're gonna stick it in right there, and we'll just go up to we can go up to that 3rd node. That's perfect. And these we're not going to put any saran wrap on, because I think leaving the leaves on is going to help them enough so that they don't dry out. This one is also aloe vera, and we'll just put it around that bottom node right there that we cut. And let's see, go up to the 3rd node as well. That's about 2/3 of the way. And then this one uses, so right here we just have about 5 drops of vinegar, just drops, tiny, and about half a cup of water. Just put a little bit of that on. Tried that for some of the guavas that are in here, and just push it down like that. All right, this is from the other lemon tree, which kind of looks diseased. I don't know. It's kind of sketch. Wounded this one. We're gonna put it in the vinegar. This one we could get a few nodes off, but yeah, just push that all the way down right there. And last but not least, we put a little bit of aloe vera on this one. In it goes. And you might get some of the thorns. I think you should cut them off actually, because they're kind of like coming out their own nodes, and if you do that, then it will kind of like make more space for the roots to come out. Anyways, that's the planting, people, and hope you enjoyed this. Not 100% sure this will work, but I think lemon trees are pretty easy to graft, and if you haven't already, go check out the guava cloning video that I made. That'll help explain a little bit better about what we're doing here. I'm almost about to run out of these cups, so I might use some like sour cream buckets. These are a little bit bigger, they're not quite as deep, but it will give more space for the roots to branch out. But I would recommend using, like clear cups so that you can see when the roots will get to the edge. And mainly the way that you'll tell if they're growing is, by new leaves coming out of this cut area right here. But yeah, I'll see you in a few months, and maybe we'll actually get some actual lemon trees out of this and guava trees, and we'll plant them, maybe sell them, give them away or something, or just try and find a place in the Syntropic farm we can put them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.